Hi, I'm Tamir from TadiBrothers, and in this video I want to show you how to route or take the software navigation and path it to the SD card. First thing you have to do is open this thing up here to put in the SD card. This problem that what you're trying to solve usually happens when you click on navigation and you see this thing pop up. Oops. There you go, can't find navigation. All right, so that means that the software in there wasn't installed correctly. Push on setup. Click on navigation setup, and then double click on this thing. If you see it look like this, that means that your memory card isn't, you're supposed to have two lines here. That means your navigation software SD card isn't put in correctly. So mine actually wasn't even popped in. So I'm just gonna pop it in now. We're gonna go back, and we're gonna go in again, double click on it. Okay, and now you should see something like this if you're initializing for the first time. Double click on storage card, like this. Go to Primo EXE. If you've done it right, this page should look exactly like this. Then just go back again, open up the navigation, give it a second because it's loading up the software here. All right, give it a second here. All right. Now remember, this is good for SKU number 56868, and the navigation here has just been put up, so you see that it works. Thank you and have a great day.